role in damaging the human body, my dear friends. That is the reason why to tackle these associated conditions plays a very important role in managing the major condition also. That is the reason why I normally tell this point whenever I am doing my program, stating that all Indus Viva products for that matter, they are called as holistic products, which means that these are the products which act from head till the toe. Similarly, our products are called as complementary products also, in the sense each and every product along with their main benefit, they are able to clear the root cause of the disease, which is very important for us. Clearing the root cause of the disease is the most important point so far as managing the disease is concerned, my dear friends. That is the reason why we need to take care of the root cause. We need to take care of the situation in such a way that the root cause of the disease is actually destroyed, so that the major disease can also be destroyed, my dear friends. This is how exactly the products work in the body. On the same lines, I would like to speak something about the relationship between obesity and infertility. See, obesity and infertility are inevitably related to each other, my dear friends. So it can happen both in men and women. So who are having this obesity symptoms, now the research says that, the current research actually says that the people are actually going into the worst stages of infertility. Again, I am trying to link these two diseases, especially the obesity as well as the infertility point of it. I am not trying to say that this product is actually indicated for infertility. I am in nowhere telling this point, but I am trying to link the diseases of obesity as well as infertility, my dear friends. So what exactly happens here is, see, being overweight and obese can affect a couple's ability to get pregnant. This is very important. So this is a proved fact from long ago now. So in fact, obesity is the cause of fertility struggles in 6% of women who never have been pregnant before, says the American Society for Reproductive Medicine. So it is not only the case with women, my dear friends, even the males or the men with higher body mass index. So especially as I've been telling about the BMI, you all know that whenever a person's BMI is less than 19, we call this as underweight. Whenever a person's BMI is between 19 to 24, we call this as, it is not even, it's overweight. You can consider it as overweight or normal weight, in fact. It is not too much overweight also, it's a normal weight. Person's BMI, which is more than 24 to 29, we call this as overweight. And above 30 is called as obesity. Well, nowadays there are different grades of obesity which is actually seen in the in the world as well, my dear friends. Grade 1 obesity, grade 2 obesity, grade 3 obesity, where the BMI is actually reaching more than 30. This is where we call this condition as morbid obesity. We call this as morbid obesity, my dear friends. So this morbid obesity is actually happening in both men and women, and that is a major reason why both men and women are suffering from infertility these days. Well, this is one of the important things, because even in women for that matter, a fine hormonal balance which regulates the menstrual cycle is always there. So overweight and obese women have a higher levels of this hormone called as leptin. Leptin is a hormone which is actually regulating all these obesity metabolism in the body. So which is produced by the fatty tissue, in fact. This in fact disrupts the hormone balance and leads to infertility in case of women. So leptin increases in the body, so infertility also increases in case of women, my dear friends. So overweight and obese women have higher levels of leptin, as everybody knows this. But in case of men also, this particular overweight and obesity has a lot of implications on this male hormones called as a testosterone. So testosterone levels have been impaired because of increase in the bad fat which is happening inside the human body because of this overweight and obesity. So once there is impairment in testosterone levels, so definitely the male infertility will also happen in the future. That is the reason why both these conditions are related to each other, my dear friends. It is always important for us to, in fact, take out the root cause of the disease always. And all our Indus Viva products are actually meant for taking out the root cause of the disease rather than treating the disease itself. This is a very, very important point that each and every one of you must know, my dear friends. So going ahead, iSlim Flat Tummies Bar, as everybody knows, that is composed of very low calorie. It is composed of very low calorie. It has synergistic actives in it. It has weight management potential. As I've been telling you, I want to repeat this point again and again. Weight management can be interpreted in three ways. The first way is it is either increasing the weight or managing the weight or decreasing the weight. This is how weight management is actually defined, my dear friends. It is not only one point here, it is actually the 3 points which are actually, making up what this weight management is all about. So it is a fiber rich bar. Again, our Indian diet, these days we are not having enough fiber in our diet. This is very important. So whenever there is no fiber in our diet actually, so automatically all such problems will happen. That is the main reason why whenever you are consuming this iSlim Flat Tummies bar, because of the presence of natural fibers, automatically the detoxification process will happen in the human body. So when the detoxification process happens, the effects of the detoxification can be seen in different ways. I think so. If most of you might have experienced this also, in terms of vomiting, in terms of loose motion, in terms of gastritis or acid peptic refluxes, all these things can happen as one of the effects of this detoxification process. That is the reason why we always suggest you to consume a lot of liquids during the consumption of iSlim Flat Tummies bar. It might be in the term of water, it might be in the terms of fruit juices, anything is okay. So, but optimum liquid consumption is also important while you are consuming the iSlim Flat Tummies bar, my dear friends. So, going ahead, as I told you, overweight and obesity, one of the important metabolic disorders, has a lot of secondary complications. This is always important for us to think about. Whenever you are promoting this iSlim Flat Tummies bar, always think about the secondary complications which are caused due to this obesity inside our human bodies. One thing, as I told you, is infertility. That is a different part of it. See, diabetes. Again, diabetes and obesity are related to each other. Most people with diabetes will have one or the other symptom of obesity, or most of the obese people will have one or the two complications of diabetes, my dear friends. These are the two faces of the coin actually. Not only this, heart diseases, again a major causative factor for this overweight and obesity. Because of the overweight and obesity, you have a lot of bad cholesterol and triglycerides circulating across the body, localizing across the heart. This is how we actually diagnose the heart diseases. This is where the blockades are happening in the heart because of the bad fat cholesterol which is circulating across the body, my dear friends. So that is also one of the major reasons which is considered as a root cause for overweight and obesity that we are trying to cut down with the help of iSlim Flat Tummies bar. Not only this, you have a lot of other conditions which are coming because of obesity, like asthma can happen whenever there is overweight and obesity inside the body. High blood cholesterol can circulate across the body, not only localizing across the heart, it can cross the boundaries, go into your liver as well. That is the reason why we call a condition called as fatty liver conditions. This is very, very important. Fatty liver happens because of excess accumulation of fat inside the liver. This also is one of the major complications of this overweight and obesity. Renal failure can happen. Renal failure in the sense, it is a kidney diseases which can happen because of this. See, such things, whatever I was telling you right now, these are all some of the root causes. So people have all these things inside their body and ultimately we call them as overweight and obese people. But the reasons for it is all these things, my dear friends. So whenever you are in fact promoting this product iSlim Flat Tummies bar, or whenever you are consuming this, always think from this angle. It is not only for weight management, but we are trying to minimize, we are trying to reduce the weight, the causative factors, the root cause of the disease is always reduced, my dear friends. That is a very important thing that people have to know about. So as you all know that iSlim Flat Tummies bar contains 3 important ingredients which we call it as synergistic actives. Synergistic actives mainly include Salacia reticulata, which is an anti-diabetic herb. It also contains the Coleus forskolli, which contains an important natural molecule called as forskolin, which is important for weight reduction. The third is called as Sesamum indicum, which is nothing but the sesame seeds, which is standardized to a material called as sesamolin. This actually reduces your cholesterol levels. So overall, if you see, it is very important to know that this particular product can act in 3 important ways. One is cutting down the sugars, the second is cutting down the weight, and the third is cutting down the cholesterol levels. This is very, very important. So this is how the particular product is actually acting inside the human body. Not only this, my dear friends, it also has a lot of natural fibers. Natural fibers in the sense it has the oats fibers, it has the ragi fibers also. See, fibers also play a very important role so far as the detoxification is concerned. So these fibers, whenever you are taking it on a regular basis, what exactly happens? It causes a lot of detoxification in the body so that no accumulation of bad fat can happen in the future days when you are continuously consuming this iSlim Flat Tummies bar. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So not only this, my dear friends, it also has a lot of natural protein concentrates, mainly the soy protein and whey protein concentrates. The soy protein is actually derived from the soya bean, whereas the whey protein concentrate is derived from the milk. Well, my dear friends, one thing is very important for everybody is to know is that protein is also very important for weight management. But unlike the other bars which are available in the market, our bar is not protein rich. Our bar is fiber rich, whereas other bars which are present in the market, they are all protein rich, my dear friends. But still, protein is very much required for weight management purposes. Not only this, our product also includes the herbal extracts which mainly include the ashwagandha. We call it as the Withenia somnifera. In other words, we call it as Indian ginseng also. And the next one is called as the Mucuna prurens. We call it as the velvet bean or cowhage. So these are the two important ingredients which are present in our iSlim Flat Tummies bar. The herbal extracts, if I have to talk about. Well, these two herbal extracts are mainly required for reducing the stress during the weight management process. So whenever you are consuming the bar, see what exactly happens, the weight management process is happening inside the body, because of which the stress is also produced. That is the reason why some of the people also complain that it is very difficult for me to consume the bar in a very short time, sir. It is very difficult for me to consume the bar because it is causing a lot of loose motions. These things can create the stress a bit. Again, it is a part of the detoxification process. What I am trying to tell you here is these two herbs which are actually present in this iSlim Flat Tummies bar, they can reduce the stress during the weight management process, my dear friends. This is how exactly the weight management can happen so far as the iSlim Flat Tummies bar is concerned. Not only this, there is one of the important elements, natural elements which is actually used in the iSlim Flat Tummies bar. This is actually called as the hydroxycitric acid. We call it as HCA. This is derived from a fruit called as Garcinia indica. Garcinia indica is a fruit which is present in iSlim Flat Tummies bar, which we call it as kokum. In Indian terminologies, this is called as kokum or Garcinia indica. This particular fruit is rich with hydroxycitric acid. Hydroxycitric acid, in the sense, it is not something, dangerous kind of an acid or anything. This particular acid is a plant-derived acid, a fruit-derived acid, which is very important for generating this process called as thermogenesis inside the body. Thermogenesis is nothing but burning the fat. That is the reason why most of you will have a question that after I am consuming iSlim Flat Tummies bar, I have a lot of heat issues. That is what the people are normally complaining. The heat is actually regulating inside the human body. A lot of heat is produced within the human body. Why it is? It is because of the thermogenesis process which is happening inside the human body. This thermogenesis process is the one which actually burns your fat. This is how exactly the product works, my dear friends. I hope the point is clarified and clear to everybody. So, Garcinia indica, as I told you, is a small fruit which is available across India in the states of Maharashtra as well as down south to Kerala. So, Garcinia indica is called as kokum. We call it as kokum in English, in Indian terminologies, which is a very sour fruit. This fruit is actually used since the times of Ayurveda, dating back to 5000 years in the management of overweight and obesity, my dear friends. That is how this wonderful fruit kokum is actually contributing for the weight management so far as iSlim Flat Tummies bar is concerned, my dear friends. So, as you all know that kokum is a wonderful ingredient, which is also good for diabetic people. That is the reason why I always tell that this particular iSlim Flat Tummies bar can also be given to the diabetic patients, because this does not contain the added sugar contents. The added sucrose contents are not available in this iSlim Flat Tummies bar. That is the reason why people with diabetes can also use this without worrying much about the side effects or adverse effects, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So, as you all know that, as I told you, even in case of diabetes also, you can definitely give this iSlim Flat Tummies bar without worrying much about the side effects. Even for those diabetic population, you can give 1 bar in a day. 1 bar in a day by skipping 1 meal in a day. This is a very important process. You should not skip all the 3 meals in a day or all the 2 meals in a day. Skip 1 meal in a day and you can consider using this iSlim Flat Tummies bar. So not only this, people with high blood pressure or low blood pressure also, you can definitely consider or suggest them this iSlim Flat Tummies bar, and they can consume this without any side effects. So during pregnancy and lactation, this is also very important that the people have to know. So during the pregnancy, it is always important for you to consume iSlim Flat Tummies bar only up to 6 months of pregnancy. Because as I told you, even during pregnancy, it is always very important to take care of the overweight and obesity. You have to limit the weight. Otherwise, the development of the fetus as well as the later complications can happen in a pregnant woman. So during the lactation process, during the breastfeeding process, the first month Ice Slim bar should not be given. From second month onwards, one can consider giving this Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar without worrying much about the side effects, my dear friends. So even in the thyroid issues, for example, if a lady is suffering from thyroid, normally this hypothyroidism is seen in 98% of the women population. Even in case of this 98% of the women who are suffering from hypothyroidism, it is always important for you to give this wonderful product because it is always associated with overweight and obesity. Even in heart diseases or people who have undergone the cardiac surgeries, even in such cases, it is always important for you to suggest this Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar so that in future the bad fat accumulation can be minimized, can be prevented in the heart as well, elsewhere in the human body also, whenever you are taking this Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar, my dear friends. So this is how Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar will help you in order to establish a holistic weight management support. So not only this, my dear friends, it is always important for you to consume one Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar in the evening between 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. by having a light optional dinner at 6 p.m. This is how you consume Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So thank you so much for your patient watching. So this is a question answer time now. So today my colleague Miss Sangeeta has collected the questions for me. So let me have a look at the questions now. So if I'm using Ice Slim, iPulse and iCoffee, how do I use and when condition is pre-diabetic? See, this is the first question that I am seeing here. So if you are using all the three products together, I would suggest you to use it in this way. First product must be iCoffee. iCoffee is the first product in the day. After iCoffee, leave a gap of 15 minutes. Consume 30 ml of iPulse. After iPulse, always leave a gap of 15 minutes. Have breakfast. I hope the point is clear. Coming to Ice Slim now. Ice Slim must be consumed in the night between 7 to 9 p.m. by having an optional dinner at 6 p.m. in the evening. This will definitely serve the purpose, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear. Even though the person is pre-diabetic, you can use the same order, whatever I told you right now. So even in a pre-diabetic case, the same order can be followed. So the second question that I am seeing here, does our product create antibodies to support virus? Absolutely no. See, antibodies are created only when you inject a vaccine. Antibodies are not created only by consumption of medicines or any other wellness or health products. But your immune system can be modified. Your immune system can be boosted by the use of wellness products, my dear friends. That is the reason why I am always emphasizing the point that each and every Indus Viva's products, they are called as front-line immune boosting products. That is the reason why. It is not about the presence of antibodies. I hope the point is clear. So the next question that I am seeing here, couple of people gained weight after following diet chart. Well, I would like to tell you one thing, my dear friends. Suppose the person who has asked this query, please do send us your history once on doctor@indusviva.com. We will be able to help you with a correct diet for this particular condition. I hope the point is clear to you. You can mail us at doctor@indusviva.com. Please mark a CC to support@indusviva.com. We will be able to answer this question with a correct diet chart. I hope the point is clear. The next question that I am seeing here is, does Ice Slim reduce belly fat or whole body fat? The answer is both are correct. It reduces your belly fat as well as the fat which is existing all over the body. As I told you, my dear friends, the bad fat is actually circulating throughout your body. It can be localized across your heart. It can be circulated. It can pervade. It can spread across your body, my dear friends. So Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar is called as a holistic weight management product. That is the reason why it helps you to fight the fat from head till the toe. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So the last question that I am taking for a day here is, one of my customers could not get sleep after using Ice Slim. I don't think there is any scientific relevance for this. What you can do is ask him to drink a lot of water. By eating Ice Slim bar, the sleep disturbance, we do not have any such cases reported till date to us. That is not one of the side effects of Ice Slim bar, definitely not. It might be due to some other secondary issues that we have. Suppose if any such sleep issue is there, it is always easy for them, or it is always suggested for them to consult their physician so far as the sleep issues are concerned, and Ice Slim bar is not the reason for it. I hope the point is clear to you all. So thank you so much, Vivites, for posing your queries. You can also post your queries on our Facebook page at the Messenger as well. So we will be able to answer them as well, my dear friends. So thank you so much for your participation. So this is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training, signing off. Have a nice day. Bye.